Hello, question 1. So the first thing I'm going to do is to mark it up using our boxing up method. Quick revision of what that is. I'm going to mark up in green, thinking about what am I being asked? What information do I already have? Then in blue, most importantly, I still need to start making a connection with what maths I'm going to be using, then going on to what calculations I need to do, and then at the end, checking that I've done the right thing. So that not just is my answer correct, but have I done what I've been asked to do? Okay, let's start. So I'm going to start with what my instruction is, which is to choose a suitable fridge for Peter to buy. Remember, we think about ourselves here, not the name of the person in the question. So I've got to choose a fridge. Peter needs to buy a new fridge, must fit in a space in the kitchen. Okay, I can visualize that. I've got my fridge, I've got a gap, it's next to the cooker. Okay, so I've given some dimensions, width, depth, height. Okay, Peter sees these fridges for sale, so I've got some fridges here. So again, width, depth, height. Oh, I've got a conversion. And I'm going to choose which fridge to buy. Oh, okay, so we've got some stuff in centimetres and some stuff in inches. So next thing I need to do is to think about what maths I'm going to do. Well, 1 inch, centimetres, I've got some stuff in inches, I've got some stuff in conversion in centimetres. So I'm going to have to do a unit conversion, which means I'm going to be either multiplying or I'm going to be dividing. Now, if you have any doubt here as to which one of these you're going to do, then I've done a separate video for you on I'm not sure whether to multiply or divide. And when I say not sure, I mean if you're not 100% sure at this point whether you're going to be multiplying or dividing in this question, then go and have a little look at that video. Okay, so the first thing I'm tasked with here is that I need to be comparing like with like. So I can't have inches here and centimetres here. I've either got to work all in centimetres or all in inches. So which one do I do? Well, to me, it's quite simple. I've got 3 values in inches. I've got 9 in centimetres. So I'm going to do inches to centimetres. Okay, inches to centimetres multiplying by 2.54. Okay, so let's go ahead and do each of those. Width 19 times 2.54, depth 22 times 2.54, height 36 times 2.54 equals. Why am I writing all this down here? Because it says you must show your working. This is a 3-mark question. If I just give an answer with no working, that's going to be 0 marks. You must show your working. So there we have the answer on our computer, 2.54 times 19, 48.26. 55.88. And finally, the last one, 36 times 2.4, 2.54, 91.44. So there we have our 3 values. So these are the gaps. So my fridge cannot be bigger than these. Okay, so the width of my gap is 48.26. So anything that is narrower than that will be okay. Anything that's wider than that is not going to be okay. So let's have a look at our widths. So 47.2 would be okay. 49.4 will not be okay. So 46.5 is okay. So regardless of the other two values, we can't have fridge B. Let's now look at the depth, 55.88. Again, anything smaller than this is okay. Anything bigger is not okay. Both of these are okay. Now let's look at the height, 91.44. So anything smaller than that is okay. Anything bigger than that won't fit. So 84.2 is okay. 94.2 too big. So out goes that fridge. So the answer must be A. Choose a suitable fridge for Karen to buy. Answer, fridge A. And the little bit of working here, the ticks, the crosses, the crossing out, the circling of the A, that's enough work for an examiner to see that I've taken my work there and I've then gone and applied it in the table. Okay, so last, let's make sure that we do our reasonable checks. Have we done what we were asked to do? Buy a fridge for Karen? Yes. We did show our working, so yes, we've done that. Good, well done. We used the information in the table. Big, small, yes, that's right. I looked for values that were smaller than these, so I fitted in my gap. So yes, I'm happy that that answer's checked. That's okay. All done. On to the next question.